Hey guys, so let's just jump right into it. These are the ingredients that you're going to need for the two different chia seed pudding recipes. We're doing strawberry banana and chocolate peanut butter, and here are the utensils that you're going to need. You are going to grab your strawberries and just wash them, a little razzle dazzle rinse, you know what I'm saying? Just clean off any dirt, whatever, especially if you're not buying organic, which really isn't a big deal, but just always make sure that you just wash your fruit or rinse it off at least. Next, we're just going to chop up our fruit. For the strawberry bananas, we're obviously just going to need strawberries and bananas. So we're just going to chop them however you like, whatever you fancy. It really doesn't matter here. Bite size, larger pieces, it really doesn't matter. So we're going to chop up the strawberries and we're going to slice up the banana. So pretty simple. These two chia seed pudding recipes are really good and refreshing. Honestly, they're really good after a workout because they're just really cooling after you grab it out of the fridge. And with the fresh fruit, it's bomb. It's a good time, honestly. So here we are here just chopping the bananas and so with there goes a banana. So with chia seed pudding, it could be really weird at first, especially if you're a texture person. But honestly, like it's really good and it's really good for you. So I honestly think you should try it. Um, there's my brother trying to teach me a TikTok and he got caught. So okay, so now we're just gonna take our Tupperware. Doing it in Tupperware makes it so much easier. So just measure out 1/4 cup of the chia seeds and put it into each of the Tupperwares. When you just do it straight in the Tupperware, you could just put all the ingredients together, mix it up, throw it in the fridge, and you're done. So it just makes cleanup a breeze instead of doing it in like a bowl first and then transferring it over. Then I like to just add a dash of cinnamon because cinnamon is everything. Um, then we're gonna take some honey, and I really like things really sweet, even though there's fruit in it. So I think I measured out just about 2 tablespoons. I really just like to eyeball it. It really doesn't matter, honestly. And you could add more in the morning if you want, whatever. Then we're gonna take some peanut butter. I like crunchy. Let me know in the comments down below. Are you a crunchy or creamy person? Because crunch family over here, you here, holla. So we're gonna take some of the peanut butter, put it in for the chocolate peanut butter recipe. Then we're just gonna take our fruit. We just put some strawberry bananas in the one, and then with the peanut butter, we're gonna throw some bananas in there. And it's kind of like one of those chunky monkey. Oh, there goes my brother again, trying to show me freaking TikTok. Um, it tastes honestly just like a chunky monkey smoothie, so that's why I like that recipe a lot. Then we're gonna take coconut milk for the strawberry banana one, and this is vanilla coconut milk, so that takes away the need for vanilla extract. So just measure out a cup, and I just use the same 1/4 cup, so just do it 4 times. Basic math, but it wasn't that basic to me when I was in grammar school. So measure out 1 cup of the vanilla coconut milk, excuse me. Then we're gonna take chocolate almond milk and throw that into the peanut butter one. And using chocolate almond milk just makes it easier, and you don't have to use cacao powder or cocoa powder when making the recipe. So that's why I just like to use chocolate almond milk, and it's really good. It's just honestly just tastes like regular chocolate cow's milk, honestly. Then we're gonna take coconut and we're gonna put that into the strawberry banana recipe. And coconut is everything. So just however how much you like, honestly. I just put a couple of pinches in there. Then next, really simple, we're just gonna stir up the chia seed puddings before we throw them in the fridge. So just stir it up, just making sure everything is dispersed. Making sure like the honey is well dispersed within it too. Then we're going to stir up the chocolate one, and when you're doing this, make sure you take your spoon and spread the peanut butter out as much as you can. I personally don't mind peanut butter globs like in my stuff, so just make sure that you're spreading it enough out. Then we're just gonna pop the lids on and honestly pop them in the fridge. You can just pop them in for a couple of hours or leave them overnight and grab them in the morning, and that is how you make chia seed pudding.